Welcome to the channel. I'm ShadowScoutSwede. Today I'm going to show you what I got from my kids at Christmas. And it is these gloves. These are cut resistant. But before we dive into the video, we will be back after this message. Welcome back, guys. Let's get into this video, shall we? This is my new cut-resistant gloves I got from my kids this Christmas. And they are made by BeaverCrafttools, made in Ukraine. And they come in a Ziploc bag like this one. And it has also this one. It says BeaverCraft Cut-Resistant Gloves. Cut-resistant, breathable material, comfortable fit, EN 388 certified, multipurpose use. And you have a back on this one too. It says, "Welcome to the world of ultimate safety and comfort. One pair for all tasks. Protection from cuts, handling knives, woodworking, cooking, carving and sculpting, agriculture tasks. One pair for all tasks." And they have their website, Facebook page, and Instagram. I will put those in the description box. And it also comes with a nice little manual. It says, BeaverCraft, safety is the #1 priority, and I definitely agree with that. And in this little text box here, it says, these gloves offer reliable protection against cuts and other mechanical damage when working with sharp objects. Please read the instructions carefully to maximize the lifespan of your gloves and ensure your safety. And I also agree with that, because you need to know exactly how to take care of these, okay? And it also comes in 4 different languages: English, German, French, and Spanish. And you have nice little pictures here. And those who are marked red, it's not good to do that. The green, that is marked with green, that is the right and proper, correct way on how to use these gloves. So, the protective gloves are crafted from high-quality materials such as high-density polyethylene, polyester, and spandex, providing dependable cut protection. And remember, get gloves that fits your hand. Not too small, not too big. It needs to be the right size. And these gloves are large, so they sell these in different hand sizes. I don't remember which. I think it's small, medium, large, and extra large, I believe. So it depends on your hand size. So they look like this, and I will put these on to show you guys. These fits very well. And the spandex, that is why they are very flexible like this, or stretchy, which is nice. And I can tell you, these are really comfortable. Really, really comfortable. I'm really surprised on how comfortable these gloves are. So I can highly recommend you buy a couple of these or more, couple of pairs, so you have some extra spares. So these are very soft. It's not itchy or anything. They are really comfortable on the inside. So easy to put on, not hard at all, very comfortable. I can move my fingers, I can grip things, and I can feel what I grip or grab. So that's awesome. I can actually feel the material through these gloves, which is awesome. So I can take my water bottle here. I can feel the plastic through these gloves. So you have very good connection between your gloves and the object you're picking up. So what is my recommendation then? I highly recommend you buy a couple of pairs of these because they will be very useful, and they are multi-purpose. So that's really awesome. I like that. Most gloves you buy that are cut resistant, they are not multi-purpose. They are only made for one specific task, and that's when you use a knife or anything other sharp objects. So, or tools. So these will come in handy, in my opinion. So that's all for today's video, guys. Take care, stay safe, God bless, and remember, be part of the solution, not the problem. Strength and honor, and a happy new year. And as I always usually say, that is another version for happy new year. I usually say, have a happy new gray hair. So I will see you in the next one. And if you're new to my channel, feel free to subscribe, like, share, and comment. That will help this channel a lot. And don't forget to hit the notification bell, and so you get notified when I upload new videos and go live. Take care, stay safe. ShadowScoutSwede out.